Welcome back to another episode of Skookum Living. Today I'm coming from the Puna Rainforest Retreat on the big island of Hawaii. Today we got a fun project. We're making a bit of a privacy screen for a hot tub here. So we're gonna be cutting down some bamboo, lashing it all together, and then probably take a soak afterwards. Let's just get into it.
Excuses when I simply don't care. Why don't you just move on? We ain't going nowhere. I got enough to do than hang around and wait for you. I said I got enough to do than sit around and wait for you to grow up, yeah, and be responsible. Your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do than hang around and wait for you to grow up and be responsible.